Excuse me, is this the counter for flight AA 318 to New York?
Good evening, sir. Yes, it is. May I see your passport and booking details, please?
Sure, here you go. I'm really sorry. I know I'm very late.
That's all right, sir. Let me check your reservation. One moment, please. I'm afraid check-in for this flight is already closed.
Closed? But the plane hasn't even taken off yet.
I understand your concern. Check-in closed about 40 minutes before departure.
Oh no, you've got to be kidding me. I ran all the way from the parking lot.
I can imagine how stressful that must be. Are you traveling for business?
Yes, I am. I have a very important meeting tomorrow morning.
Let me check if there are any other flights available tonight.
Please do. I really need to arrive today.
Just a moment, sir. I've checked the system. Unfortunately, all flights tonight are fully booked.
So there's nothing at all tonight?
I'm afraid not. The earliest available flight is tomorrow morning at 6:30.
Oh man, my meeting starts at 9. That's cutting it very close. What about my original ticket? Can I change it or get a refund?
May I confirm your fare type first?
I bought the cheapest economy ticket.
In that case, the ticket is non-refundable and non-changeable.
Seriously? So I just lose the ticket?
I know that's frustrating, sir, but those are the fare rules.
Is there any exception at all? This is a business trip.
I understand, but the policy is the same for all passengers.
Okay, then if I buy a new ticket, can you help me find something?
Of course, there is one seat available on a partner airline.
Really? How much would that be?
It's a business class ticket priced at $1,200.
Wow, that hurts, but missing the meeting would be worse.
I completely understand. Would you like me to book it for you now?
Yes, please, go ahead.
All right, sir. I'll take care of everything right away.
Thank you. I really appreciate your help.
You're very welcome. I hope the rest of your trip goes smoothly.